DAIPA'S show. Today I've got a guest artist here called MAFFCAT and another upcoming artist called Bugo. Yes. So MAFFCAT, welcome to DAIPA'S show.
Yeah, Daipa Wagwan.
Nothing. Tell Zimbabwe who MAFFCAT is. What's your real name?
MAFFCAT, born Albert Chiroja 27 years ago in the streets of Chitungwiza. Yeah, that's where we grew up.
Okay.
Before I transferred to Kuwatana. Yeah, you see.
Alright. My question is Vira Zimbabwe. Kuti MAFFCAT, what's wakakurira ku?
Actually, I grew up in Kuwatana, yeah, but
okay.
I was born in Chitungwiza.
Okay. Saka chita unkwakune artist yakaba inonzi MAFFCAT. Back to you, Bugo. Bugo Ndiani, as an upcoming artist, what's Zimbabwe start up chairo?
Yo, my name no Ben Chakala, I'm born in Kuwatana.
Alright. So MAFFCAT, tell us, do you have any new project that you've done?
Yeah, wallpaper projects here in a Victory Mind. I'm working on an album. I'm working with a reading named Third World and another conscious named Ghetto Picture. Wallpaper artists there, local and international. Same.
So, Bugo, when did you start this Slimdoggz music singing?
No, this big friend of mine, he inspires me. See?
Okay.
He say you can do something.
Alright.
And I mean, that's to see.
Alright. So, can you please give Zimbabwe one freestyle so that they know who Bugo really is and his music?
You know what we take it to the left.
Alright.
I'm bubble, no about this change, them I try double, never try to change, them I try Facebook, them I try to take, them I try Facebook, what I never dress, what I never try, what I never do, what I never try.
Yo, alright, thank you, Bugo. So tell us, Bugo, is this a single, is this an album, what are you working on at the moment?
We are working on an album, but this one is a freestyle.
Alright, it's just a freestyle, it's not on your album?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's like you've just actually thought of everything that you've sang here?
Yeah.
Alright, back to you, MAFFCAT.
Yeah.
So tell us, you're under Victory Minds Records, right?
Yeah.
How many artists does Victory Minds have?
Wallpaper artists in this table. See Chatzman there, MAFFCAT, I. We have Derek, he's a liquid, he's still a liquid, but he do gospel music.
Okay.
We have Google, we have wallpaper artists, we have
AJ
Sonic, we have AJ.
Yeah.
But right now he's based in South Africa.
Okay.
Very well, yeah.
Saka Zimbabwe Mangoshin's we are Victory Minds in my artist Takawanda, and we are very pleased to my artist with Victory Minds Abashika. Please welcome Chatzman. So, Chatzman, what's your Zimbabwe sitarako chairo? Alright, where did you grow up? Where, you know, what age are you? Chatzman, ati makura mbusia pamwe mudiki pamwe muhombe ashazikanwe. It's for Zimbabwe to judge. Anyway, Chatzman, Tudzoka, what is your new project that you're doing?
Currently I'm working on singles.
Okay.
I don't have an album as yet, but I've just compiled some single tracks to put a compilation album.
Okay.
Basically, I'm working on singles.
Okay. So you've got more of singles.
Yeah, but I'll be working on my album next year.
Okay. Next year.
Yeah,
watch out for Zimbabwe's next year album. Chatzman ninge richibuda. Mkomana wacha ninga kupromise ama fireworks. Saka chimboti troga ka freestyle ke mboto wa Zimbabwe itari siroshka next year kuti you know album ninge rabuda.
Oh. Some of us yeah, sure, smiling those will be back soon.
Diri mwana pama ngoma kecho ndori mande chipusha ngombe ndichipukutisa dikitanda dzura muti ndoshamu.
Yo, that track.
yeah.
I've always been doing, you know, artists singing, but aya nasiga pakaipa. Chatzman,
Yes, sir.
run it.
No. Pablo, is that a video?
Never
kuti ndoshamhu ndine hwane chete akapinda nesikiri pasina kutuka makolabo kana album mageto yuti oti Chatsimani makaita musaregedze vasarenyisa Benjani na Peter ndobvana vati ndikokongoma ndomira ndakita voti buritsai matsaga mututu nedikita I'll take it to them, more fire upon them, I'll take it to them. Get on you to me, I represent. Who wants to me, I represent. The people not the one never did set the body. Second the chicken changera, open the singarare. Pero wakasimisa Chatsimani, don't you worry. Kukushaya no panic, a semba very mudari. Runa go wako there and the barare. I don't know who I am. Father!
Yo, you're Subaru.
Number is Baracho. You know the G number is Chatzman, sorry. Oh, you don't go away. I'm a Jinswira. So, Chatzman, number is over Tipa Fisaiwa. Dinim scan watch on the funny one. Fungat video yo because I think Dino Tanga Quimby one. Did
she said to Barry.
Yeah, until my questions, So, MAFFCAT, so tell us something. This year around, what do you expect Victory Minds, to have gotten to? Since you guys have now opened a new studio right here in town, so can you tell Zimbabwe your contacts and where Victory Minds studio is located?
Victory Minds Records is located on 8th Street, Central, Chekayo Heights, door number 30. My contact details 0734 449 769.